Cricket Wireless has new unlimited plans for smartphones. Hi, I'm Andy with the Mobile Internet Resource Center. Over the weekend, Cricket Wireless, a prepaid subsidiary company of AT&T, revamped its lineup, including their unlimited smartphone plans. The new offerings are called Unlimited Core and Unlimited More. There is not a major difference between these two plans when it comes to price, but there is a major difference in terms of features and also the plan specifics. The new Unlimited Core plan is their lower tier unlimited smartphone plan and costs $55 a month or $50 a month if you use autopay. Multi-line discounts are available for this plan. The plan includes unlimited data on your smartphone, but that data is always subject to network management. And it comes with a 3 megabits per second speed cap. Video streams are also capped at 480p standard resolution. Additionally, there is no mobile hotspot or tethering use on this plan, but customers can purchase 10 gigabytes of data, mobile hotspot data, for another $10. Hotspot data is also capped at 3 megabits per second. The new top-tier unlimited smartphone plan is called Unlimited More and costs $60 a month or $55 a month with autopay. And again, there are multi-line discounts for this plan as well. The plan includes unlimited high-speed data on your smartphone, no speed cap, and it includes 15 gigabytes of high-speed mobile hotspot data. However, all data use is subject to network management, and it has the same cap on video streams, which limits them to standard definition or 480p. These are significant upgrades over the core plan for only $5 more per month. For example, paying $10 a month extra to buy the 10 gigabytes of mobile hotspot data on the core plan doesn't make much sense when you can get 15 gigabytes of high-speed mobile hotspot data on the More plan for actually $5 less. Cricket Wireless is also keeping their tiered data smartphone plans. But there is a big change with these plans, and that is that mobile hotspot use is no longer included with them, and you can't add it for an additional fee. Cricket Wireless smartphone plan SIM cards can only be used in a smartphone, so you cannot take these SIM cards and use them in a data-only device like a mobile hotspot. However, Cricket does still offer data-only plans in 3 different tiers, so that is an option if you're looking for some AT&T prepaid data that can be used in a mobile hotspot device. So that's the latest from Cricket, AT&T's prepaid plan. Please check out our written news article linked in the description below for more details about these changes. Thanks for watching.
These videos are brought to you by our premium members, our mobile internet aficionados. They make it possible for us to track this news and create these videos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, or better yet, consider becoming a member yourself.